Yeah, so I wanted to do a demonstration on my expectations for submitting an assignment according to best practices. First of all, make sure you save it to your K drive. This class is IET 226 dash the lab number, lab 1 or lab name. That's a minimum expectation as far as me grading the assignment. Next, you need to submit an image that's going to have a white background. You're going to put that in the default template. So I'll just start off, I'll create an image, and what I like to do is I'll get my model in nice axonometric, isometric type of orientation. I'm showing my tree. If you need to move your tree out just a little bit, you can touch off on the trunk of the tree, use a dynamic pan, tweak it out just a little bit. You can even zoom it up and down if you want to. Retouch it, and it brings the focus back to the model. Again, you can touch the trunk and it takes the focus to the tree, and then retouch it and it goes back to your model. So from here I will do a tool, an image, and image capture. I want to do a pixel capture. So of the three, I've got screen, I've got pixel, and I've got vector. So I'm going to select the third option, or the middle option, which is pixel. I'm going to go to my options, and for under pixel, I'm going to do a white background, anti-alias, highest resolution. The main one here is the white background. And then from here, I can draw a box using the select mode, draw a box around the model and the tree, making sure that you do not capture any scroll bars that may be on the far left over here. I do not want to see any scroll bars. I just want to see the image, the model, the tree, and a white background. So grab that, take a shot here with the capture. That looks good to me. I can copy that to the clipboard, or I can save it to file. I'm just going to copy it to the clipboard. I'm going to come over. I'm going to go into Blackboard. I'm going to grab, let me find where that document is. So under Weekly Topics Labs, there's a CATIA lab submission template. I can open that up. And let's assume that this is lab 1. So I'm going to open this up. Things need to be changed. So this is IET 226, Parametric Design and Modeling. It's lab 1. I didn't give it another name, so you could just go with lab 1 here if you need to. Your name. And this is fall 2020. So directions placed here. So go under weekly assignments, find your assignment, and grab in what you need as far as directions. I want to copy that. Now you can copy paste, but if you copy paste, make sure it's neat when you paste it. If not, you can just retype it in, whatever it takes to get it looking neat. I'm going to come right here. I'm going to put in my directions. So I want to do a paste special. This is just me and the way I like to do it. I'm going to do unformatted text. That's going to bring it all in as the text currently exists in Microsoft. I think it's picking in with the settings for the title up here. So I want to make this look neat. So what does that mean? Well, I'll let you know if it's not neat by the grade I give you for it. So here I'm going to get rid of bold, and I'll probably put some bullets out in front of this. So to me that looks fairly neat. What you're looking to capture here is something that, for the whole document, something that looks nice and neat. And one thing I didn't do there when I copy pasted, I need to redo my copy of my image. But here you go. So complete the tutorial, the first tutorial in your CATIA manual, and then the rest of the directions is shown. So that looks neat. I'm going to go back to CATIA. I've got to re-copy this to the clipboard. Go back to my lab submission. Get rid of this image and paste in a new image. Notice how it fits the screen. It's large, you can see it. I've got my specification tree. So from here, when you get this, you will save it as a PDF. I don't care where you save it. I'm not looking at the PDF outside of Blackboard. This is just something I want inside of Blackboard, so you can save it wherever you want to. In this case, I think I'll just save it to the desktop just for now. So I'll call this Lab 1. Again, I'm not going to look at the actual PDF document. I don't care what you name, other than in Blackboard, so I don't really care what you name it. So once you get it, save it as a PDF, come here, click off, and you browse your computer, you find that file, and Lab 1, did it actually save? So find the PDF. I missed it saving as a PDF. Let me try that again. Save as, browse. I didn't save it as a PDF. So save it as a PDF, Lab 1. And it should do there. So now I can open up Lab 1 and submit. And Catilla's not going to let me do it because I'm not a student in the class, but hit submit and it should come in. It will come in. So that's how you submit work inside of Catilla, and that's my